Our number today is 6, okay? We're gonna work on our tens frame. You can watch me first, and then you can practice, or you can do it right along with me if you'd like. You have your choice. Okay, I wanna show you today, I have some bugs. Look how cool they are. So we have some fun little bugs today, and we're gonna use those to help us count number 6 on our tens frame. We're gonna do it a couple of different ways, so I want you to really listen, put on your best listening ears today, and watch. Here we go. Okay, so remember when I showed you that when you put something on your tens frame, you have to start in the corner like that to help us move across. Okay, so let's do that. We're gonna count 6 bugs. Count with me. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, look at that. Okay, now before we count backwards, because we do that every day, I want to show you something kind of cool. I'm gonna go ahead and take this 6th little bug off. I'm gonna let him sit right there for a minute. And I want to show you what I was talking about yesterday. When you have 5 inside of your tens frame, it's halfway full. One row is all full when you have 5. So one really fast way to count this, once you get really good at counting, you could try this to see if you could do it, is you could just look at these bugs. Let me move these guys over. Just look at these bugs and say, oh, that's 5. I don't really have to count them. I could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or because I have my tens frame and I know half of the tens frame is 5, I could just look at it and say, oh, that's 5. And then I could just count up one more and say 6. Okay, so watch one more time. 5, 6. Okay, so that's a fast way to do it, and it's a really good exercise for our brains to look at that and say, I know there's 10 squares in my tens frame, but I know that when half of them are on here, one whole row, I already know that's 5. Okay, now what if we add all of our other bugs on our tens frame? Okay, how many bugs do I have now? 10. You just knew that, right? Because you know there's 10 squares and they're all full. So we know that's 10, okay? So we could count them if we're not sure and we're still learning, I don't know, I can't just look at it and tell you how many, but I really have to count them. That's okay. You could count them. So you could even use your magic star if you want, and we could count them, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now, or maybe you just look at it and go, I know that's 10 because there's 10 squares, okay? So there's a couple of different ways that you can do that. And as you get a little bit better, it'll be easier for you. Okay, now let's count backwards. Get your stars ready, and we're gonna go backwards until we get to the number 6, because we're doing 6 today, okay? We started at 10. Okay, get ready, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. There we are, 6, 6, 6. Good job. Okay, I hope you'll practice with your tens frame. You can use anything you want. I had bugs today. You could use Legos. You could use your snacks. You could use anything you want. But you go ahead and practice a little bit with your 6s on your tens frame. Okay?